In today's video, I'll share with you how you can start making money from the comfort of your home without any money. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I know starting a business with no money sounds like a lie, Abby, but with the right mindset, strategy, and resourcefulness, it is entirely possible, and I'm talking to you from experience. In today's video, we will explore practical ways you can kickstart your entrepreneurial journey, even with little or no capital. Why start a business without money is possible. Do you know why starting a business without money is possible? Because the digital age has transformed how businesses are launched. I mean, thanks to the internet and an abundance of free resources, it's never been easier to start a business with minimal upfront costs or investments. So from online platforms that can help you build a brand to resources that offer free education, marketing tools, you can get your business off the ground without an expensive setup. First thing you need to do is to choose a business idea that aligns with these limitations. So choose a business idea that requires little to no capital. The first step in starting a business without money is selecting a business model that doesn't demand significant capital to begin with. So service-based businesses like digital product, with certain freelancing opportunities can be perfect choices because they require little more than your time and your expertise. So you can look into service-based business. Consider offering services that only need your skills like consulting, like graphic design, like writing. You don't need to invest in physical goods or inventory. Instead, you can focus on building a client base and a great reputation for your business. The next thing is to have digital products. Yes, if you have expertise in a particular subject matter, you can create digital products like ebooks, courses, templates. These products can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even through your own website. So go ahead and create them. It requires effort to create them, but once you are done, you can generate passive income with little to no costs. The next thing is to be a freelancer. Yes, you can freelance. You can do freelancing on platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr. It lets you showcase your skills and connect with clients that need them. You can start small and build your portfolio over time without spending any money upfront. Go ahead and write a solid business plan, and even if you're not putting in money, a business plan is essential. This serves as your roadmap. They guide you through every step of the business journey. So it outlines your business idea, your target market, your marketing strategy, your future financial projections. A well-written business plan also attracts potential investors and partners that might be willing to fund you later on. Do you know why you need a business plan? See, having a business plan ensures that you know the direction that you are heading in, how to acquire customers, when to scale up, while you are working with no money. Yes, initially, the strategic approach keeps you grounded, it keeps you organized, and you're more likely to succeed. And here is how to create a business plan without money. There are many free online resources that can help you create a business plan. There are templates that are available on websites like SCORE or US Small Business Administration, SBA. You don't need to hire an expert. Just go ahead and follow the templates and customize them for your business, and you're good to go. You can also leverage free tools and resources because the internet is brimming with free tools and resources that are designed for entrepreneurs that are starting with zero capital. These tools help you with everything from designing logo to managing your social media channels, and there are some of these free website builders. They have WordPress, there's Wix, there's Weebly. They help you create a professional online presence without hiring a web designer. You can easily showcase your services, your products, your portfolio, and it's essential in today's digital world. And there are lots of free marketing tools that allows you to promote your business. For example, you can use social media platforms. You can set up your business profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and there are organic methods to grow your following, like creating engaging content, regular interaction. Email marketing services is there. There are platforms like MailChimp. They offer free tiers, yes, for small email lists. They allow you build customer relationships without investing in costly tools. SEO tools are also there. Google Keywords Planner are there. Uber Suggest. They also offer free insights on how to optimize websites for search engine. Yes, you can drive organic traffic without needing paid ads. You can also do free educational resources. Yes, knowledge is one of the most valuable assets when starting a business. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Khan Academy, they offer free courses and everything from digital marketing to financial management. These platforms help you acquire the skills that you need to manage different aspects of your business. And you can conduct market research without spending the time. You need to understand your target market. It's very important, especially when you're operating with limited resources. The good news is you don't need to hire a market research firm to get the insights that you need. And here is how to conduct free market research. Market research is just all about understanding your audience, your competitors, and your industry. Yes. And here is how you can do it for free. You can do competitor analysis. Study your competitors' websites, their social media profiles, their reviews. Look for gaps or areas that they are not addressing. You can do online surveys. There are free tools like Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, create surveys and gather feedback from your target audience. You can also do social media listening. Use social media platforms to engage with potential customers. Join groups, read comments, follow trends that relate to your industry. You can also consider alternative funding options. Whether it's possible to start with zero money, there may come a time when you need funding, to scale. Luckily, there are several options that can help you get that initial boost without needing your capital. The first one here is crowdfunding. Yes, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter.com, Indiegogo, GoFundMe, they allow you to present your business idea to the public, raise funds in exchange for rewards, equity, or just goodwill. So people don't even need any equity from your business. They just want to give you to support your cause. Many businesses have actually succeeded by using these platforms to raise money without traditional loans from the banks or investors. There are also angel investors and venture capitalists. So if your business has high growth potential, you may attract angel investors or venture capitalists who are willing to invest in your idea in exchange for equity. Now, this route is more complex and they require a strong business model and a pitch deck. You can also take advantage of small business grants. Check out this YouTube channel, Miriam Adekoju YouTube channel. I think I'll put the link here. There are lots of grants that you can take advantage of as a small business owner. Thank me later. These are grants that don't require repayments, and it can be a lifesaver when you're working with limited resources. So you can start small and scale gradually. Starting without money a lot of times means starting small, and that's okay. Some of the biggest companies in the world actually started small. So focus on delivering value to small set of customers, learn from your experiences and scale your efforts over time. Run a lean business. So keep your business lean means you spend money on what is only necessary. Focus on the essential list, product development, marketing, customer service. Everything else can wait until you have more cash flow. Wear many hats. In the beginning, you may have to handle everything yourself. You are the customer service representative. You are in charge of operations. It helps you save money and it gives you a deeper understanding of how every part of your business works. These were things I did when I first started my business. I did everything on my own. Then later, I started hiring people to do this and that for me. Now, another way to start a business with no money is to pre-sell your products even before it's launched. Yes, you take orders in advance. You can raise necessary funds to fulfill these orders, get your business up and running without upfront costs. Here is how pre-selling works. Pre-selling is the act of selling a product before it is completed or before it is available. So you can create a landing page, market your products through social media or email, ask customers to place pre-orders. Now, this model not only generates revenue, it also helps to validate demand for your products. You can also build strategic partnerships. Yes, you can start a business with no money. You can partner with businesses that complement your own, and you can offer resources in exchange for mutual benefits. You can barter for services. You need a service, you don't have money to pay for it, and consider bartering. For instance, you can offer marketing services to a web designer in exchange for a website. It allows both of you, to benefit without any cash exchange. Then you can keep your day job, at least for now. So while you're starting your business, it might be wise to keep your day job, at least until your business starts generating consistent revenue. It ensures that you have a steady income while you're testing and building your venture. Here are some reasons why you want to keep your day job. Financial security. You won't be relying entirely on your new business for income right away. It puts less stress on you. Yes, without the pressure of immediate financial success, you can focus on making the best decisions for your long-term growth. And that is all I have for you today. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and me to where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Please make sure that you introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, mom, student, entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. This is one of my pieces, and this is my mannequin. So guys, that is all I have for you today. In case no one has showed you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. This is a picture of my mannequin. In case you want to see, I know you will see me. So that is it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Check out this video right here. Take care.